Keto Chaffles just got a sweet upgrade. Meet the Cinnamon Roll Chaffle. Grab your mini waffle maker and preheat it. This will go fast. In a bowl, crack 1 egg, add half a cup of mozzarella cheese, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a splash of vanilla. Mix until well combined. Now scoop half into your waffle maker. Let it cook until golden and crisp, about 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat with the rest. Time for the icing. Mix 2 tablespoons of cream cheese with 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and a dash of powdered erythritol. Stir until smooth and creamy. Stack your warm chaffles and drizzle with that delicious cream cheese icing. Top it off with a sprinkle of cinnamon and boom, low-carb cinnamon roll vibes. Low-carb, high flavor, perfect for breakfast or dessert. Save and share this sweet keto hack.